Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add a payment options in Google Forms 2025, and it will be a complete breakdown step by step video, and I try my best to make it as easy as possible for our beginner friendly friends. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. But before that, by default, Google Forms does not have built-in payments. You just need to be remember this. But don't worry, I will show you how to connect Google Forms to PayPal, Stripe, or Razorpay easily using free add-ons or third-party tools. So you just need to be create your Google Form. So how you can do it, you just need to visit here docs.google.com, then definitely forms you.o, and just click to the create one. Once you click over here blank, then here you just need to give a form. So Canva, let's search for Canva Pro and give a description. Purchase this product and use lifetime. Here you just need to provide this kind of information to your customer, and there and title questions, where do you hear about us. Let's give an option one, Facebook. Another option is YouTube. Then third option will be Google. The another one is Telegram, and I think it's okay. We can go with further. So I am going to publish it, but before that let me recap it. You just need to give the title. For example, it could be workspace registration Canva Pro, like whatever the product it is. Then you just need to add your question. It could be name, email, product or service option. Use multiple option choice or drop down for product selections. Then done. That's great, you are okay. Now you just need to understand how payments really work. So important thing is Google Form does not handle payments directly. Instead, you will connect it to payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe using a payment add-on called Payable Forms or Form Facecade. A link to a payment page like pay.me, Razorpay or Stripe payment links. This is way when someone submit your form, they are sent to a secure payment page. So you just, like, we are going to work with Payable Forms, so add payment option using Payable Forms add-on. So you just need to be open and another tab to search this Payable Form. This is the one of the easiest way is using the Payable Forms add-on. Here's how. Let me give you the practical one. That is, open your Google Form, then click to the three dot of add-ons. Here you can see this three dot. Here you can see get ones. Before that, I'm going to publish it. Just click to the publish and respond anyone. Yeah, I think this may be a perfect. Just click to the publish. Once I click over here, it will be published. So now here you can see it. So if I click over here, you can see accept him response. So copy response link and then copy it, shorten URL. Let's short this it. Just copy the link and then paste it here. And here eventually you can see that it is really working. So let's click to the Jomadin and it has been done. That much easy the process was. So let's click the cancel, and here you can see we already get an hour on response. Then click to the setting. Here you can make it further more options we have, but this is not important thing we are going to discuss. The important one is to add payment options like Payable Forms. So here I am going to click these three dots, and then we have this option called get add-on. Just click over here, and then you just need to be here search the apps called Payable Forms. Let's search the Payable Forms here. Pay. As you can see, the suggestion already been come, so I am going to click over here, and here eventually you can see this is the Payable Forms and it's from Payable Industry. So I am going to click this one, and then here eventually you can see this is the logo of the apps, and I am going to install it. It already installed in our like desktop, so I don't need to be do any further work. I will just crop it, but you just need to be install it. Then here you just need to be add the payable things here. Let's click to this one, and here we are going to uninstall the payable again. Let's do it. Just click add-ons and then search the same thing, payable forms. Here just click over here and click to this one and click to the uninstall app, and then it will take a while to complete the installation. So we need to be, so here I'm just going to click this install. Once I click over here, it will take a process to complete, so we need to be keep patience again here in this process. So here you just need to be select your Gmail account, then you just need to be click to the continue button when it will be appear on your desktop. So let's wait a bit again. Here you can see how time consuming the process was. So you just need to click to the continue. I already mentioned this one. So when you're done, then it will complete their procedure, I think so. Let's see it does it really or not. So here you can see it. You just need to click to the allow. Once you click to the allow, the add-ons will be included with your forms. I hope so. Let's go and let's see. As you can see, now the processing is ongoing, so it is not been done. So here you can see payable forms has been connected. Okay, great, done. And let's click to this button, and here as you can see, this is the one, payable forms. So configure payment settings, so sidebar user settings, things, theme, and many things I have. So now set up your product or service for you, like add item name, price, and payment option, then connect your Stripe or PayPal account to receive payments. Then payable form automatically generate an invoice and redirect user to pay after submitting. Then you can do alternative manual payment link, like if you don't want to add any add-on, or you can also add a manual payment link, create a paypal.me or Stripe payment link in your Google form, add a section after the form questions, add a message, click below to compare your payment, and then add the payment link as a hyperlink of instructions. Where users submit the form, they see the payment link immediately. This is the another simple one, you can do it. Here you can see, so when someone click like multi-choice options we have, then here you can add section based on answer, or you can add another copy this one. Then you just need to be connect with all of them, then you can do it. Here you can auto configure and from sheet, just click over here and it will take a while. So here you can see it has been done, purchase, configuring from. So you just need to be go through this process and it will be enable this thing. As you can see it, this one just set to connect Google Sheet, this will be connected with this sheet. And then here you just need to theme and checkout, you just need to be sync theme and checkout with this one. Just click over here and it will be sync. Here show me product, and here you can see that it redirect us to the new tab, and this is the thing we will get. So in this way you can do your payments with Google Forms, and that's it. Now you know how to add a payment option in Google Forms in 2025, and this is perfect for workshop registration, event tickets, donations, small product sales, and course enrollment. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you would like a tutorial on integration Google Forms with Google Sheet for automatic receipts for setting up automate emails. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.